भारतीय राजनीति में आया नया मोड़। बीजेपी ने कांग्रेस को लिया आड़े हाथों। इसरो पर पिछली सरकार को नहीं था भरोसा। नंबी नारायण का वीडियो शेयर कर बीजेपी ने कांग्रेस को घेरा। इसरो के पूर्व वैज्ञानिक नंबी नारायण का एक वीडियो शेयर कर भाजपा ने कांग्रेस को घेरने की कोशिश की है। वीडियो में नंबी नारायण कहते हैं कि उनकी तत्कालीन सरकार की प्राथमिकताएं अलग अलग थीं। उन्होंने कभी भी अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान को प्राथमिकता नहीं दी। तब की सरकार द्वारा धन आवंटित नहीं किया गया था, जिसकी वजह से भारतीय अंतरिक्ष विज्ञान बहुत ही पीछे था। इसरो के पूर्व वैज्ञानिक नंबी नारायण का एक वीडियो भाजपा ने शेयर किया है। इस वीडियो में कांग्रेस के शासनकाल के दौरान इसरो के हालातों पर बात कर रहे थे। वीडियो में नंबी नारायण कहते हैं कि उनकी प्राथमिकताएं अलग अलग थी। उन्होंने कभी भी अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान को प्राथमिकताएं नहीं दी। तभी की सरकार द्वारा धन आवंटित नहीं किया गया था। यह वीडियो शेयर करते हुए भाजपा ने कांग्रेस को घेरने की पूरी कोशिश की है। पूर्व वैज्ञानिक के मुताबिक इसरो के पास अनुसंधान कार्य के लिए कोई जीप या कार नहीं थी। उनके पास सिर्फ एक बस थी जो शिफ्टों में चलती थी। तब से लेकर अब तक जैसे जैसे परफॉर्मेंस सुधरी है, सरकारों का भरोसा भी बढ़ता गया है और हमें सहारा मिलता गया है। बीजेपी ने ट्वीट किया कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने बजट में वृद्धि की है और हमारे वैज्ञानिकों के साथ उन्हें सफलताओं और विफलताओं में खड़े हैं। तो भारत के अंतरिक्ष मिशन बहुत आगे बढ़ चुके हैं।
We didn't have a jeep, we didn't have a car, or we didn't have anything. So that means we didn't have any budget allocation whatsoever. We had only one bus and it will run 2 shifts and things like that. Anyway, that was in the beginning. But as time went by, when Kalam took over and Kalam was trying his best to make the SLV-3, I don't think that the budget was available for the asking.
Okay.
It was given.
Yeah.
But you have to be, it's a very really tough way to, I don't know how to put it, but it is very difficult.
True.
But that was so, I wouldn't complain anything about it, but the point is they didn't have any faith on you.
Okay.
And there are opinions, in fact when we went for even the PSLV approval, it was not readily available.
Okay.
It went through the mill. So the problem was with respect to the priorities of the government. That is number one. Number two, the faith they had on you. That was number two. Number three is again our own priorities. But later, when time moved by, ISRO had established its own credentials in terms of its performance and success, and also we were absolutely a corrupt-free organization, dedicated workers. And you know, in ISRO, I used to say proudly, you name any specialization, let it be metallurgy, let it be fabrication, let it be control guidance, we have the best people in the country with us. So in that way we were proving our mettle, and then in the process we had more and more budget. Even for the liquid propulsion, I am a direct affected person. We didn't have the money we asked for.
Okay.
In fact, I would say that it was very much delayed because of want of money.
Okay.
But as time went by, as I told you, we were performing well. We had an opportunity. Then the government had an appreciation.
Okay.
And the time also came. For example, the satellite business came in the middle because they were weighing between various options. So we got the funding.